Hi, I'm Behnke. I'm the founder of Juice Beauty, and we're here in our sustainable headquarters in Northern California. So I came to the beauty industry a little differently than most. I came from the health and wellness industry. And right out of college, I moved out from Michigan to California for all the reasons that everyone moves to California. And I started one of the first corporate wellness companies in the early 1980s. It was about 15 years of helping to pioneer the whole corporate wellness industry, and then moved more into fitness. But that whole time, I was a skincare junkie, and I was talking about nutrition and fitness, but I never once read ingredients on a beauty products label until I had my babies in my early 40s. And that was the first time I actually read a beauty products label, and I almost passed out. So fast forward, turned it to the positive, and I really felt that I could start a beauty products company that didn't compromise, so that we didn't have to compromise with anything. The highest end ingredients, using certified organic ingredients, but going for the high efficacy. I bought the name Juice Beauty and started it from scratch. And the reason why I wanted the name Juice Beauty is my concept was that instead of filling with petroleum, like a lot of conventional chemical groups do, and then adding ingredients, or water, like a lot of the natural groups do, I thought, what if we filled with organic botanical juices? So organic grapeseed, organic aloe, organic jojoba, organic shea, and then added vitamin C and peptides and fruit stem cells and hyaluronic acid and olive-derived squalene to it, so every organic drop feeds your skin. You know, there are always struggles as an entrepreneur, and you hit them every single day. And I think what separates probably successful entrepreneurs from not are the people that can overcome those obstacles readily and that are very resourceful and can get past any obstacle. Okay, Charmers, so our big announcement in the last couple months was that Juice Beauty bought a farm. We're so excited. Think farm to beauty, farm to face. And you know, we have been so careful sourcing so many of our ingredients on the West Coast where we're headquartered here. And we look forward to now sourcing our organic grape seed, our organic grape oil, our grape skins, grape stem cells, our olive squalene from our own farm in Sonoma in the future. Being a gold digger means to me someone that just is aspiring for their goals all the time. And you know, I think sometimes you're just born with it. And I have an innate sense of trying to just build successful businesses as well as have a great life. So my team tells me that I'm very goal-oriented with my fitness goals, because I've been a triathlete forever personally, and I'm very careful about what I eat. I eat organic food and fruits and vegetables, and you know, pretty much a pescatarian. But I'm also very goal-oriented with my professional life, and that every day I get up, I don't have to motivate myself, it's just in me. And every day I get up, I think about how I can move the business forward another 10 steps, or another 5 steps, or another 20 steps. So it's just what I get up to do, and I'm excited about it every day. And I think if you find your passion, it just comes naturally. Having mission-driven and passion-driven businesses my whole life that, for me, centered around health and wellness, and centered around then expanding personal health and wellness and human health and wellness, expanding it to the planet and becoming an environmentalist, is really what I'm passionate about, and to build sustainable businesses that are economically viable, but also great for the environment and great for the world. And that's what motivates me, and it provides passion for me, but in providing the best, you know, beauty products that are made with organic ingredients known to humankind. But find your passion and then go with it. And that's what gets you over all the obstacles, what will make you the most resourceful person in the whole world. And then will make it feel not like work, because I tell you, when you find your passion, you work harder than you normally would, but it doesn't feel like it. Thank you, Charmers, for tuning in from north of San Francisco here. And I hope you enjoyed my stories and journey talking about being a gold digger.